Each banana is inspected for quality. Damaged bananas are removed from the
Damaged bananas are removed from the process.
The chips turn golden and crispy.
The banana chips are cooled naturally.
The alignment on sector gamma is off by 2 microns.
Confirmed. Logging the deviation now.
Acknowledged. We will hold this batch.
Salt is added carefully to the banana chips for perfect flavor.
All processes follow strict hygiene standards for banana chips.
Each banana chips packet is weighed accurately.
Banana chips are filled into packets with care.
Packaging designs clearly show banana chips branding. Faulty banana chips packets are removed from the line.
Approved banana chips packets move forward for packing.
Packets are packed into cartons containing only banana chips.
Cartons are sealed and labeled specifically for banana chips.
Storage areas are monitored to keep banana chips fresh.
Shipping documents are finalized for banana chips delivery.
Containers are sealed securely for banana chips shipment.
Banana chips are ready to reach European and other markets.
These banana chips are carefully processed for export quality.
Freshness and crunchiness of banana chips are guaranteed.
Each banana chip meets strict quality standards.
Carefully processed banana chips are ready to eat.
Banana chips are served in bowls for tasting.
Perfect frying ensures the best banana chips taste.
Final quality approval is given to all banana chips.
This is the complete production line of banana chips.
We need another box over here. Coming right up, keep the line moving.
High food safety standards are maintained for banana chips.
Banana chips production continues efficiently.
Automation speeds up banana chips processing.
Modern factory technology ensures high-quality banana chips.
High-speed packaging maintains freshness of banana chips. Banana chips are ready for delivery and distribution.
The Banana Chips Facts Factory completes another successful batch.
Thank you for watching the Banana Chips Factory process by ProdX Lab.